Hey guys, what's going on? It's a little update video today. Not sure if you can hear me. There's a guy over there in front cutting grass down that little hill. But I figured out what was the issue with my RX7 making them weird sounds. I uploaded a video a few weeks, maybe a month back ago. And I figured out that the problem was a U-joint on the drive shaft. And if you guys don't know, the drive shaft on this car has to be completely replaced in order to get the U-joint fixed. Well, you get a new U-joint with the replaced drive shaft, which they run for $400 something if it's like the factory drive shaft. So I ain't going that route. I found somebody that has one, and the U-joint's in good condition, so I'm gonna snag it for $60. I'm gonna go pick that up today. Here's my little daily. You guys seen the Miata. So I'm gonna go pick this up today and try to put it on sometime this week. I'll probably end up doing it on my days off. So yeah, guys, it's just a quick little update video on what's going on with the car. And I haven't been uploading much about the car, but hopefully you guys can understand. And yep, keep you updated on it. What else happens? I'll probably have to repaint it a couple times. Hood looking a little dingy, and so is the side fenders, but the rest of the car looks alright. But that's it for all. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great week. Deuces.